Good afternoon, students. So, in this class, we are going to discuss a part of module 2, that is ecosystem. So, in ecosystem, there are some case studies like grassland ecosystem, forest ecosystem, desert ecosystem, and aquatic ecosystem. So, we have already discussed the grassland ecosystem. So, let us discuss about the grassland ecosystem. So, what are grassland? Grassland ecosystem are the ecosystem which has the grasses mainly. This does not mean that they do not have the trees. They have the trees, but they have the grasses in majority. So these are the places where the rainfall is low and the soil depth is very poor. That means the places which receive the low rainfall and where the soil depth is very poor, there only we can find the grassland ecosystem. So low rainfall is not at all good for the growth of trees. It prevents the growth of the trees. But this low rainfall is enough for the growth of the grasses. Okay. So we find grassland ecosystem in the low rainfall area. So these are the places which receives longer summer month. The summer month is longer in those ecosystem. So as the summer month is longer, in the summer month the vegetation die off almost the grasses they die off. So the part of the grass above the ground it dies off, and in the monsoon season, in the rainy season again it regenerates from those parts. Again the grasses regenerate. Okay, so this is known as the dormant period, the period where there is no vegetation or very little vegetation in the grassland ecosystem due to excessive heat. Prolonged summer month is known as the dormant period. So animals in the prolonged summer month, the animals what they do, as they do not get the enough food, as the vegetation is almost dried up, so the animals what they do, they eat the food, the available food in the monsoon season or in the rainy season. They eat the available food and store the food as fat in their bodies so that they can use them during the dry period. So in India, we have two types of grasslands, that is Himalayan pasture belt, that means the grassland found in the Himalayas, and the end we have grasslands in the semi-arid plains of western India, central India, and Deccan Plateau. So Himalayan pasture belt, see the Himalayan wildlife requires both the grassland as well as the forest for their uh, survival, because when there is severe winter in the Himalayas, because of the altitude, as you know, Himalayan temperature is very low. It becomes very low during the winter especially. So what these animals do, they move to the forest ecosystem in the plains, and during the summer month they move to the grassland. Okay, so next is the semi-arid plains of western India. You see there is a type of grassland which is found in our western India and in our Deccan Plateau also, but that type of grassland is not similar to the Himalayan pasture belt. So that type of grassland are basically thorny forest, thorny grassland. That means the grasses have thorns in them. That is our grasslands of semi-arid plains of western India, central India, and Deccan Plateau. Now coming to the use of grassland. So what is the use of grassland? Grassland play a very important role in the food chain, of course, but the grassland also has a many variety of pollinator. So pollinator, what is pollinator? Pollinator are those insect which pollinates the flowers, which carry the pollen grains from one flower to another flower. That is pollinator. So grasslands have pollinator as well as predator. Predator, we know that predator helps to keep the balance in the ecosystem. Now, what are the threats or what are the dangers that grassland is facing? So the dangers that grassland is facing is that nowadays we are using the grassland for building factories. We are using it for urbanization, for building residential complexes, and as a result, their pattern is changing. The land use pattern is changing. Also, we are using them for overgrazing, and we are using them for agriculture. So because of agriculture also, the land becomes unfertile after some years of continuous agriculture. As we use the chemical fertilizers and pesticides, the land degrades in the quality. So these are some of the threats to our grasslands. So this is about your grassland ecosystem.